Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by updating iOS and inspecting the battery menu to know where drain comes from. Open Settings, tap General then Software Update, install if available. Next, enable low power mode now to immediately throttle background refresh and visual effects. While you're in battery, tap battery usage to see percent and background time, note the top offenders. Once done, force close any runaway apps and make a quick list of ones you'll manage next. Now you address the middle, where most savings happen, tweak settings and app behavior. Go to Background App Refresh and either turn it off globally or pick Wi-Fi only for non-essential apps. This stops constant network wake-ups. Reduce screen brightness and enable auto brightness, or set it around half when indoors to cut display drain. For mail, switch push to fetch every 15 to 30 minutes or manual so the device checks less often, and review app notification settings to prevent needless wake-ups. Finish by checking battery health and enabling optimized battery charging to slow capacity loss over time. You should also audit location services and set critical apps to while using only. If battery still dies quickly, reset all settings or reinstall the apps you flagged earlier. This clears corrupted preferences. Make sure to monitor overnight drain after each change. If problems persist and max capacity is below about 80%, consider a battery replacement. If something goes wrong, reboot and retry the targeted change first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.